Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm hot. But anyway, when my daughter saw my hamburger cooked in the smoker, the indoor smoker, she saw it and texted me, "Hey Ma, can you fix me a burger just like that?" So she's on her way. So I'm making me another double cheeseburger, and I'm making her a double cheeseburger. And Walter don't want none, but he really enjoyed it yesterday. So y'all gonna see mainly what you saw yesterday. Okay, but you'll see me putting the chips in here. You didn't see that yesterday. So there's a cup inside of here. I'm using my chips. I keep cutting this same side. I'm gonna cut this side this time. Of my hickory wood chips. And then I just use my vacuum sealer to seal the bag back up. So I'm not even gonna fill it halfway this time. I had it halfway yesterday for 4 burgers, so I'm fixing 4 burgers again. And it's not gonna be halfway. Because it don't take that long to cook. So this is less than half. Put a few in the center and a couple around the side. Very little. Putting this top back on. That's how it looks. And you put the rack on top of that. Let me move this for you. I don't want it to get broke. No kidding. Okay. I really don't need the rack with the handles. I'm going to put the burgers on another rack on top of this. So the burgers are not sitting so close to the heating element. Let me go get the other rack out the room. This is the other rack, and it sits right down on top of this. It's like this. Okay, now I'm going to put the burgers. I'm using the same burgers I used yesterday. They were good. The Billy Goat Tavern and Grill frozen burgers. And the instructions tell you don't cook anything frozen, to thaw it out first. But I'm cooking these from frozen. And they do quite well. So there's 10 burgers come in this box. And the burgers are very thin. That's why I make double cheeseburgers. And these burgers do shrink, so I'm just going to overlap them a little bit to start with. Yesterday I just put 2 on one rack and 2 on the other rack. So they're going to shrink, so they won't be overlapped for long. I need to put this big old box back in the freezer, but I don't want no freezer burn. Okay, I'm going to plug this in. Which plug is it? I'll set this for hot smoke for 15 minutes, and yesterday it only took 12. And start And I'm going to season them. That's exactly what I put on yesterday. Tony Cheshire. So I know they're frozen, but as they thaw out, the seasoning will sink down into the meat. And then when I flip them over, after they're thawed out, then I'll season the other side. I'm using the big grain black pepper. Okay, because I set it for 15 minutes, don't mean it's gonna only take 15 minutes, because it has to go up to, the heating has to take place first. The what you call these? The wood chips have to get hot first, and then the timing will begin. Okay. Alright, so I'll be back when it's actually doing something. It may stay on 15 for 5 minutes, and then when the chips start to heat up, that's when the timing will start. I try to explain stuff the best way I can. And I guess I'll put a few fries in the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to go and take this wig off, and I'll be back when I flip the burgers over. Okay, it's just now starting to time down because the wood is heating up, and I see a little bit of the smoke coming out, and it's not going to do that long. I have my loud hood fan on because over the stove it's super loud. Okay, I'm about to fix the fries. Okay, yeah, I know it's loud in here. It's the hood fan. I'm about to flip the burgers. We've been cooking for, well, it's on the 6 now. Well, this smoke is going to come out. That's the way the burgers look. They're thawed out so they can be flipped. I'll season the other side. Kind of flip this without tearing it up. Whoa. Okay. Ouch. That heat back up in here. You know what? It cooks faster with more wood chips in it. So we're going to see how long this is going to take. Because yesterday at this, when it was on the 3, they're ready to be taken out. We're going to put how many minutes on here? We'll put 6 more minutes on here. So I'm going to stop it. Start it back. I'll see what's going to happen. Because They nothing like done, like they were yesterday. Okay, but it makes sense. More wood chips makes it hotter. I'm learning. Okay, I'll be back.
I tried to kick it and slide it in.
Okay, y'all. This should be done now. Turn that loud thing off. Yep. Okay. Amber wants mayo and ketchup and mustard and onions on hers. So right now I'm gonna put the cheese. Show y'all how it looks. Whoa. See how these burgers look? Nice and juicy. Yummy. I don't even know how long it took. So I suggest that you put at least half a cup of wood chips in there so I can cook. Stack these burgers so we can make the double cheeseburgers. Put the top back on so this cheese can melt a little. Throw this mess away. Oh, I can do this. Put the fries in here. Get some big fries. This is hers. Okay, this is good. She's so ready to eat. The burgers are juicy. Put the onions on here. She likes onions like I do. That's a bunch of onions, ain't it? And ketchup on her fries. Let me do the thumbnail so I can, this looks like yesterday's picture, don't it? Okay, y'all. This is the double cheeseburger, Billy Goat burger. I cooked from frozen. And I can't even remember how much time I put on here. So this cooked longer than 12 minutes. I would say it took about 17 or 18 minutes. So that's how it looks. I'll take this off. So this is what the burger looks like. Yum yum. Oh, that'd be a good thumbnail. Right there. And here's my burger still in here, nice and juicy. And that's how the bottom of it looks. So when I get ready to clean it, I'll just dump all this juice and stuff. Wait till it gets good and cool. Dump all this stuff in a couple of plastic bags. And wipe the inside of this pot out. Okay. Okay, y'all, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit. These kind of fries we got. Okay, I'm gone. Bye.